Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. Today we have a 2001 Kawasaki Kx250. It was just recently completely redone by somebody this winter. They showed me receipts where they put in fork seals, top end, clutch, and if all that stuff's in there, then this is pretty much a brand new fresh motor except for the crank. Nice new tires on it, new plastics, new fat bars and clamps. Really nice bike, really well put together, but gentleman decided maybe he's not as hot on a two-stroke as he thought he was going to be. Aftermarket oversized radiators, nice FMF Gold Series exhaust all the way back, and starts up, runs good. Let me